She ended her talk show in 2022 amid controversy, but now Ellen DeGeneres is back in the headlines for a very different reason. Nearly 2 years after an alleged car crash, the television star is being sued, and the details could put her back under intense public scrutiny. Television icon and former daytime talk show host Ellen DeGeneres is facing legal troubles nearly 2 years after being involved in an alleged car crash. According to newly filed court documents, DeGeneres has been named in a lawsuit claiming that her negligence behind the wheel caused injuries to another driver. The case has drawn widespread media attention, not only because of DeGeneres' celebrity status, but also because of the lengthy delay between the alleged accident and the lawsuit. The complaint, filed by the plaintiff in a California court, alleges that DeGeneres was driving in Los Angeles in 2022 when the collision occurred. While full details of the crash remain limited, reports suggest that the plaintiff claims DeGeneres failed to exercise proper caution on the road, resulting in a serious accident. The individual reportedly suffered both physical injuries and emotional distress and is now seeking compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. Representatives for DeGeneres have not yet issued an official response to the lawsuit. However, legal experts note that celebrity-related cases often take time to surface, as injured parties may initially attempt to settle disputes privately before pursuing formal litigation. The nearly 2-year gap between the accident and the filing of the case has sparked questions about what negotiations, if any, may have taken place during that period. Ellen DeGeneres, once celebrated as the queen of daytime TV, ended her long-running talk show, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, in 2022 after 19 seasons. The show's finale came amid a series of controversies surrounding allegations of workplace misconduct and claims of a toxic work environment. Although DeGeneres apologized publicly and pledged to improve conditions, the backlash marked a turning point in her public image. Now, this latest lawsuit adds another challenge to her post-show chapter. Road safety incidents involving celebrities are not uncommon, but they often receive outsized attention due to the fame of those involved. In DeGeneres' case, the lawsuit not only raises questions about her driving, but also places her once wholesome image back under scrutiny. For years, she was known for her catchphrase, "Be kind to one another." But recent controversies, including this new legal matter, have complicated that narrative. From a legal standpoint, the plaintiff's case will depend on proving negligence, meaning that DeGeneres failed to act with the reasonable care expected of a driver, and that failure directly caused the accident and resulting injuries. If successful, the plaintiff could be awarded significant financial damages. On the other hand, DeGeneres' legal team will likely challenge both the details of the crash and the extent of the alleged injuries. Cases of this nature often hinge on police reports, eyewitness testimony, and medical records, which will become crucial evidence as proceedings unfold. The lawsuit comes at a time when DeGeneres has been largely absent from the public eye. After retiring from her talk show, she retreated from the spotlight, making occasional appearances at events, but avoiding the constant media coverage that defined her earlier career. Friends and sources close to her have described this period as one of rest and reflection, away from the pressures of daily television. For fans, the news of the lawsuit may come as a surprise, given DeGeneres' reputation as a lighthearted entertainer who championed positivity. However, the case is a reminder that legal challenges can arise for anyone, regardless of fame or fortune. Whether this lawsuit results in a settlement or goes to trial, it will undoubtedly be closely followed by